Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Discover checking account step by step clearly. To use Zelle with your Discover checking account, start by opening the Discover mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. From the home screen, locate the Transfers tab, usually found in the navigation menu. Tap on the Send Money with Zelle option. If you're using Zelle for the first time, you may need to enroll. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Zelle account. Choose your preferred method to receive payments, either through your email or mobile number. Once enrolled, you will see the Zelle interface. To send money, enter the email address or mobile number of the recipient. Type in the amount you wish to send. Add an optional note or message to accompany the payment if desired. Review the payment details to ensure accuracy. Tap on Send to complete the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation once the payment is successfully sent. If you want to receive money, share your registered email or mobile number with the sender. When money is received, a notification will appear in your Discover app. You can view your transaction history under the Activity section of the app. For any issues, consult the Help section in the Discover app or contact customer service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.